case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the early 1900s, a legal battle between the managing owner of the steamtug R.C. Vate and the National Dredging Company churned choppy waters in the Third Circuit Court of Appeals. The dispute hinged on the contested proceeds from the sale of a seized steamtug known as the Chief. Ringleading the legal convoy, the Vate steamtug's managing owner denounced the National Dredging Company's ship and filed a salvage lawsuit. As a result, the court ordered the Chief steamtug to be seized and sold due to its perishable state, with the proceeds from the sale deposited into the court's registry. Amidst the whirlpool of conflicting interests, the National Dredging Company filed a petition to claim the registry funds, only to be met with staunch opposition from the Vate's owner. The claimant proposed an alternative solution, suggesting to replace the contentious funds with a bond, effectively negating any potential claims against it. Unfazed by the prospect of a protracted legal brawl, the National Dredging Company appealed against the denial of their intervention, throwing the court's jurisdiction to entertain the appeal into a fog of uncertainty. In an unexpected twist, the court dismissed the appeal. They held that the claimant had no right to the disputed funds until the conclusion of the salvage suit, echoing the principles outlined under Rules 57 and 58. This meant that any potential claimants could only recover from the registry through Rule 43, but they were not permitted to demand a summary hearing. The court's decision also distanced itself from the case of the Archer, a precedent which saw discretionary leeway in proceedings. Instead, it held steadfast to the rules and principles of proceedings in rem, stating that the disputed orders were not final decisions and therefore were not open for review. This pivotal ruling underscored a judicial rigidity that stirred waves in admiralty law.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class,